Riley Goodside at ScaleAI is having fun with ChatGPT. Check out this one request he sent to the AI. Here's the request. Give a step-by-step analysis of the worst-case time complexity of the bubble sort algorithm with Python code examples, but write every sentence in the speaking style of a fast-talking wise guy from a 1940s gangster movie. You know, you'd think that'd be a pretty complex request for an AI engine, but here's what the response came back. All right, pal, listen up. The bubble sort algorithm, she's a real simple one. But the worst case time complexity, that's a whole different story. You see, the worst case, every element in the list got to be swapped. So time complexity is going to be proportional to the square of the length of the list. Get it? Here's some Python code to help you out. See if you can follow along. And then there is Python code that was written by the AI engine. This is Mark Miller in New York City. If you haven't checked out the recent fervor around AI engine ChatGPT, well, you're kind of missing out. This is the most fun geeks have had since DALL-E 2 made it possible to create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. It's probably no coincidence that they're made by the same company, OpenAI. Other examples you can find are when James Blackwell asked the AI to explain a complicated regex, giving it no context to start from. Ajad Masad says ChatGPT could be a good debugging companion. It not only explains the bug, but fixes it and explains the fix. There are dozens, if not hundreds, of examples like this that will show up in a quick search. I highly recommend you do that search when you get some downtime, because it can turn into an enjoyable black hole experience. I'm going to continue my exploration of ChatGPT over the next few episodes on 505, but in the meantime, do a search on Twitter for ChatGPT examples. And then go run your own queries at openai.com. If you come up with something cool, add it to the comment thread at 505updates.com, episode number 27 on December 6th. I'll have the AI keep an eye out for your response.